So first thing we need to do is remove this pin right here. So we need to use like a punch right here to remove. After pushing the pin to the side, we will just raise up this right here. Just push the lever just a bit behind. Remove the bolt so we can put the gun aside. So we have the bolt right here. It's very well lubbed. So we want to first remove these two screws right here. Right here we are using a 2mm hex. Let's carefully store the screws aside. So right here we have to carefully remove this top part right here because of the spring. So right here, just carefully remove it. The spring will just fall off and we can remove and put aside. This part is lights up like this. Right here we have the nozzle. We just need to remove this screw right here. So this one is missing the clip that goes here, but you can remove the clip using just a small key and then turning off this side. So right here, just turning to the side like this. So you see that the nozzle will turn together, and that is what's supposed to go turning just small ways. And right here at the end you can just turn it and this will just fall off like this. And we can put it aside and remove the nozzle. So right here at the nozzle we can see that the nozzle is broken. We can see a lot of marks right here that shows off that this nozzle has heated a lot the upper part of the feeder, and right here we have seen a mark out of BBS that hit it right here. Right here also in this upper we can see some marks that is heated somewhere. So we are going to disassemble this and put it at a new one. Let's go ahead. So the first thing, we need to remove this screw right here. So this one has just popped it off. So this is the original valve, the spring that goes inside of the valve with the valve, and this one is just a guide with the spring that brings the nozzle back. So we are going to put this aside, remove this. We want to remove this one also. Be careful with the spring, it'll just fall off. After removing that, we need to remove this bottom rubber part. So we can just use a small screw right here, just bring it up like this and then remove it. So this is the broken nozzle, remove it. We go just throwing aside. So this is a 3D printed nozzle in PPA CF. We're just going to replace the broken one with this. It's basically the same. The only difference is that this is 3D printed. So right here we have the Npas valve. To install it, first we have the nozzle. We need to put the spring first. The valve goes in the same direction that this opening right here, like this. So we need to push it with the opening like this. We need to check if the valve is going back and forward. Let's see if we can check that. So right there inside we can see the valve going back and forward. So that's what we need. So, and what we need to check when we are installing this is this bottom part of the valve right here needs to go down like this, below this part, and this should be able to fix the valve when we are turning the screw inside. So we're pushing this with this opening like this, putting this right here. This will lock the valve in place so that we can screw it like this. So with a 1.5 screw, we can just put the in the front like this, and we can turn it on. Turn it to the side, to the right. We can close the valve like this. You know, if you can see it, and turn it to the other side. We'll just open it again. So after we mount the nozzle like this, we need to put back the top spring and the forward lip protection. This will go like this. It'll just go a little bit back and forward, not too much. He's kind of stuck like this. This is normal. The original does the same. We need to put this rubber back right here, and we are ready to put it back on the boat. So after assembling the nozzle, we're just putting back inside of the boat. So you need to check if it's moving freely inside of the boat like this. So he needs to go back and forward. The best way to put it back is like this. Put it straight, and he will just shove it to that hole, and we can put back that screw. So this is a little bit difficult to do it. We get the screw like this, put it right here, and we can start by turning the nozzle. So by doing this, the screw is just going inside. If you see that it's stuck, don't turn it too much because it can damage the spring side of the nozzle. So right here we can already see the screw, and we can go turning. when we go turning, we can see that the nozzle is turning together. That is normal, and that what we are expecting, because if it doesn't turn, the spring side would be damaged. So right here we need to put this above, pointing to the top. The first thing we need to do is put the cover like this. The easiest way to put this spring back is turn it down like this, and we grab the spring, put inside there like this. You can see the spring there. We can push it a little bit down and then grab this key, and then grab it this key and push it back, and he's on place. So to test it, we can just push it back and forward like this, and it's fully working. We need to put back the 2 screws. Check if the nozzle is going back and forward. It's fine. And we are all okay with this nozzle.